Hi students. So today I am going to solve that is second question of the exercise 10.1. So all of you see that. Draw a line L, draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. So on this perpendicular, choose a point x 4 centimeter away from L. Through x, draw a line M parallel to L. So students, here I am going to explain through one rough diagram how to construct the parallel lines, okay, for this problem. So students, first here we have to draw one line, okay, and name this as a L line, and for this we have to draw one perpendicular, okay, we have to construct one perpendicular, okay, and after that on this perpendicular we have to choose one point and name this point as x. This x point should be in such a way that it is 4 centimeter away from this L line. Keep in mind, okay, 4 centimeter away from this line. So after that, through this x we have to draw a line. We have to draw a line that is M. It should be in such a way that it is perpendicular to L. I mean M parallel to L. It should be in such a way that it should be parallel to this L line. Understood, students? So now let me solve using compass and scale. First you draw one line, okay, you first draw one line, it is approximately, and name this line as L. So after that, point a mark on this line, okay, you may take any on any place on this line. So name this point as A. So now you take a compass, take a required radius, draw one semicircle like this. Understood, students? And don't change the measurements. Now keep the needle here, draw one arc, and now keep the needle at this point, okay, where both this arc and this semicircle touches each other, okay, or intersect. Now keep the needle at this point, draw one more arc here, one here, and one upside, and now keep the needle at this point, draw one more compass. Students, here we got one point now. Through this point draw one line, to this point draw one line. So it is a perpendicular line, students, like this, okay. And now we have to mark a point x on this line in such a way that it should be 4 centimeter from this L line. Now take a 4 centimeter, on in the compass, okay, it is a 4 centimeter. Keep the needle at A and mark here, and it is a x point. Now here we have to construct one more perpendicular like this, students, okay. See, all of you here, keep the needle at x point, okay, draw one semicircle like this. Understood, students? Now you don't change this, keep the needle at this point, draw one more arc, and now keep the needle here, draw one more. Just a minute, students. Let me repeat one more time. Keep the needle at this point, draw one more, okay, just a minute, students. Yes, keep the needle at this point, draw one arc, and now keep the needle here, draw one more, and one upside and one here, okay, students. And here we got one point, okay, at this point here we got one point. Okay, here keep the needle at this and cut that previous. Okay, again keep the here we got one point na. Yes, through both these through this line draw one line. Through this both the points draw one line. Both these points draw one line like this, students. Okay, so this name this as a M. Okay, so now it is a M, it is a parallel to L. So this is the required construction for the second question of the exercise 10.1, students. I hope all of you understood this one. In the next video I am going to solve the third one. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hi students. See the last question of exercise 10.1. So what it contains, let L be a line and P be a point not on L. Okay, through P draw a line M parallel to L. Now join P to any point Q on L. Choose any other point R on M. Through R draw a line parallel to PQ. Let this meet L at S. What shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclose? So this is the problem, students. So now I am going to explain how to solve this one. Okay. So the meaning of that third question, students. I am going to explain through one rough diagram here. See here. First here we have to draw one line. Okay. It is a line L. Okay. So after that, let L be a line and P be a point not on L. Okay. So here we have to choose one point P. Okay. That point should not be on L point. It should be outside. Understood? So after that, through P draw a line M parallel to L. So through this point we have to draw one M line in a such a way that it should be parallel to this L line. Understood, students? So after that, what happens here? Now join P to any point Q on L. Here we have to choose one point Q on L and we have to join both these lines. Both these points. Understood? We have to choose one point Q on L and after that we have to join both these points. Understood, students? Next, let this, after that what happens? See, choose any other point R on M. We have to choose another point on this M line. Okay, we have to choose other R point on M line. Okay, through R draw a line parallel to PQ. See, students, here for this PQ line again we have to draw one more parallel line to this PQ. For this PQ line we have to draw one more parallel line like this. See, after what happens? Let this meet L at S. So this line meet this L point at S. Understood, students? So what shape do the two sets parallel lines enclose? So this set of parallel line and this set of parallel line, what it enclose? It means this this PQRS shape, it resembles to what shape? Whether it is a rectangle, whether it is a square, whether it is a parallelogram, whether it is a triangle. They are asking the question for us, students. So okay, so let me solve this one step by step using scale and compass, students. First, students, we have to draw one line that is a L. Okay, draw a line L. So take it as approximately. Okay, So name this line as a L. Okay, and here we have to choose one P point. Take a P point. Okay, take a P point here. Now after that take one more Q point here. Okay, join both these P and Q. Join both these P and Q. Okay, it is a P point, it is a Q point, students. So now take a compass and take a required radius. Okay, draw one arc like this, students. Okay, here we got one point now. Name this point as a E and this point as a F. Okay, students, this point as a F, this point as a F. Okay, so next, you don't change measurement, students. Keep the needle at a P point, draw one more arc. Okay, like this, and now take a measurement of E and F. E and F. Now keep the needle at this point, students. Okay, keep the needle at this point, draw one more arc like this. Okay, here we got one point, so both these points draw one big line. Okay, one big line, draw like this, students. Now on this point we have to choose one R point. Okay, here we have to choose one R point. Okay, so this is a R point. So next, see, students, here now we have to choose the measurement of Q and E. Okay, keep in mind how much Q and E, take that much of measurement, and now keep the needle at R point. Keep the needle at R point, draw one arc. Next, students, same measurement, that is, now you take a E and F measurement take. Okay, and keep the needle at this point. Okay, cut that previous one. Okay, here we got one point, so through both these points draw one line. Draw one line. So this line touches this L line at PQRS. You could name this as a S. Okay, students. So here, just a minute. Let me increase this line little bit. See, students, here. So this name this as a M. So this M and L set of parallel lines, and this PQ and RS set of parallel lines, what they one figure they constructed here, they created one figure here, that is PRSQ or PQSR. So what is this PQR? It resembles to which shape, whether it is a rectangle, whether it is a square, whether it is a parallelogram. What it is? It is nothing but it is a parallelogram. So here you have to write the sentence, therefore two sets of parallel lines creates a PQSR parallelogram. So this is the answer. Answer means, so this is the solution for the third problem of exercise 10.1, students. So I hope all of you understood this 10.1. So this is the last question of exercise 10.1. So in the next video, in the next class, I am going to start the new exercise, that is construction of triangles. Thank you. Have a nice day.